Hello guys, so today I just want to take you through um, the best five books that you can start with as a beginner in your journey of investing. So the first book that I want you guys to read is a book called Getting Started in Value Investing by Charles S. It's a very good book that introduces you to basics. Very interesting. It just covers basics, and it is about 11 chapters, very short and precise. So definitely you love this one, and it will keep you and set you on the right track. And the second book that I would recommend you guys to read is the book called The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Probably some of you already know it. It's one of the best book on the shelf. By far the best. You must always have this one with you to revive your knowledge about investing. So this guy will help you to actually make your mind be rational in terms of investing and engrave in you this big understanding about company analysis. It's quite a bit long and it takes a whole lot of things along the way to explain the concept. But yeah, keep on, be patient with it, and take notes, write your notes, learn about company valuation, and then keep track of what was trying to explain. After this book, trust me, you'll never be the same again. To literally transform the way you think. And the third book that I want you guys to go through is called uh, One Up on Wall Street. So it's by Peter Lynch. It's probably one of the best investor. So it literally, this one helps you to understand your thinking in terms of investing is gonna be very focused, and what we call circle of competence. That's what encourage you in terms of coming up with your own strategy of actually investing as an individual. So if you want to know from the best, please go through this one. Trust me, after reading this book, you will like this guy. He's just one of the best investors out there. And the other one that I want you guys to go through is a book called The Motley Investment Guide by David and Tom. This one is a very good book. It just ground all your principles together, and it gives you an overall view about the market and how to buy your stocks after taking into account so many things. You don't just randomly buy things. So it's a very good book, guys. I wanted to go through this one. Very interesting to read as well. And the last book that I would recommend you guys to go read is a book called The Money Masters. So this one, what it is actually a summary of many different good investors. You see, it gives you their performance from the past, their philosophy and their way of thinking, their approach to the market, and it helps you along the way to shape your own strategy and your own way of thinking. So I want you guys to go through these books. Trust me, if you go through these five books, your way of thinking will never be the same again. And remember, the more you read, the better you become.